Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to post or upload photos on Threads and go viral. Right, so here the first thing that we are going to do is I'm going to show you how you can upload and post your photos on Threads. So just open your Threads application on your mobile device and then you just have to log into your account. And then you have this plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. So just tap on it. That's right. And here you can now finally create your post. So you see this image icon, so just click on it. That's right. And then you just have to select your image. After that, click on the done option at the top right hand corner of your screen. That's right. Now, right here, you can write your caption. So you can use short, catchy lines or something relatable, emotional, or funny. So this perform best. And you can also tag people or add context. You can also mention relevant accounts using add username, or you can also use trending hashtags if related. So, for example, we are going to use hashtag right here, sunset. All right, and then you have this hashtag. And for the tips to go viral on Threads, you have to use high quality, eye catching photos. You can also post at the right time. So the best times are usually evening, so 7 to 10 p.m., and lunchtime from 12 to 2 p.m. And of course, be relatable or authentic. You can engage early, so you can reply to comments, repost others' threads, and interact within the first few minutes after posting, so it will boost the visibility. You can also use trending topics or hashtag once again. So after that, you just have to click on this post option. All right, and there you have it. You finally uploaded your very first photos on Threads. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.